Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view the quotation status-wise statistics in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into a Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the customer service module. Here, we have to select the pricing dashboard menu under the customer service module. On this page, we have to click on the quotation status-wise statistic menu. Now, we have to select the date range. And also we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click on the submit button. After clicking the submit button, now the quotation status-wise statistics detail will be displayed on the screen. This is how to view the quotation status-wise statistics in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.